Hello everyone, it's Miss Christman here. I'm just showing you where the entrance is if you're going to be checking in with me in the morning. So you will be entering into entrance B. So you will come in right off of this long sidewalk coming off of 18th Street. And then you'll enter here and someone will take your temperature here. And then you can come right in. I'll show you how. We're gonna come right past Miss Ramsey's room, the art room. And then you are right to Miss Christman's room right here. You might have a locker here, or you might have one by your regular classroom. Our classroom is still the same number, 121. This is our room. It looks pretty much the same. You'll come in, put your folder here in the rack. It looks almost the same except for we had to get rid of a couple things in our room this year, like our couch and things, but we are still going to have lots of room for learning in here this year. All right, so you got a glimpse of what it'll look like this year. I'm so excited to see you Tuesday. See you then.